If you are like me and you have been making videos for a while, you know for a fact how hard it actually is. I have been spending the last couple of months, I've been spending up to 40 hours a week on each and one of my videos. And you know for a fact that it takes a lot of time. You have to film, edit, maybe make a script, make a thumbnail, understand the thumbnail, figure out the title, change the title, make a description, and so on and so forth. And it can be super overwhelming to understand what to focus on. And obviously I've talked about this so many times that the thumbnail and the title is the most important. But okay, you have nailed that down and you have the filming and you have the editing, and that's good. What is the number one thing that you want from your channel? It is comments. And I know it feels a bit odd, but YouTube comments are so important for our channel, because when people are clicking underneath and they are typing a comment, good video, they are liking the video, and they are perhaps subscribing, it means that they are interacting with your content. That tells YouTube that, okay, this person were interacting with your channel. Okay, the next time you upload a video, YouTube will serve that video to the viewers. So that is why the comments are super important. You could sort of say, let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Let me know in the comment section your favorite emoji, and so on and so forth. Because the returning viewers are the most important. You can get viewers from a bunch of videos, but if you have a video that is really clickbaity and that video brings in a bunch of views, but those people don't interact with your next video, those viewers don't subscribe to your channel, all of your hard work with your thumbnail, title, filming, editing will go to waste, sort of. Your video can get engagement afterwards, but that's why my number one suggestion is to try to make a community. Try to ask questions where people will type in the comment section, make it feel natural, ask them questions that make sense for them to answer, so they will interact with your video and come back for the next one. And recently I have been testing this by creating a YouTube community post, and that post can I schedule, and I can make more community posts. So each Wednesday at 10 o'clock, I will be posting a new community post, and people have already and people will interact with those posts. But if you're able to just schedule, let's say, a few posts every single week for a month, you will be able to have them automatically be scheduled and posted on your channel. People will like the post, people will comment underneath the post if you're asking interesting questions, or you have like a pool that people can choose different options. They will interact. And when you do post a new video, YouTube will be like, hey, you posted a new video. This person were commenting on the post. Here you go. That is why I tell people that, okay, YouTube can be super overwhelming with thumbnail, title, and all of that stuff. Focus on building a community. It is super hard and it can feel a bit forced if you just in every single video say, hey, by the way, comment underneath the video, nah. But if you're able to get a natural reaction from people, they will engage with the video. So please go ahead and leave a like on this video. Please go ahead and subscribe. Try to implement it into the video as natural as possible, so the viewers don't feel like you are fooling them, because by the end of the day, you want to create a positive community by letting them choose themselves to comment, to like, to subscribe to your channel. Will make it easier for YouTube to be like, okay, they have interacted with your content before. Here we go. He has posted a new video. You might check it out. But if you have been doing YouTube for a while, you probably want to get monetized. Check out this video up next. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Espion, peace out. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye bye bye.